bus.
How much force are you putting on that to?
A lot. Woo! Heyo.
Hey-o. Nice.
Nasty old walkway. I'd rather see this than this.
For sure. Thanks, Lou.
Thanks, baby.
Wow.
It's gonna be nice once we get this up.
For sure. Good job. He's got a broom and a power tool. He's best of both worlds.
You gotta decide now. Are we gonna be using a broom or a power tool?
Look, you can be tidy and be a boss with a tool.
Daddy, can I pull it? Yeah.
You can try, baby.
Yeah, try it.
Always trying.
Got it.
Be very, oh, not bad.
Impressed. Now do the whole
Wow.
floor.
All of it, just if you don't mind. Trying to pull up yesterday, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Oh snap! This is where it gets crazy. There's no way I'm cutting that. I'm not. Oh my gosh!
So in preparation for taking out more of the floor, we grabbed a few tools here. Got a scraper and some needle nose pliers and just some regular pliers here. And so we're gonna just try to get it up enough to where I can take the pliers and start pulling it in a direction to get this stuff up. And if I need to, I'll cut right along this. I could take it off and do it underneath that, which would probably be better because eventually I am going to take that off. But for now, I'm just going to try to get just these little pieces right here. Wish I would have brought my knife. This is where you'll probably get a better grip grabbing the... So I think the pliers are no-go.
Here, let me try to help. See if I can pull on one side.
Okay.
I don't even know if I'm helping.
You totally are. It feels
Okay.
harder.
Okay, ready? Let's try one. Awesome. That's gonna be tough. That glue is hardcore.
Yeah, it is.
Wow.
This is gonna take some time. You know what? I saw a lot of people go at it like this too. know what? I'm not using the right bit. I'm supposed to use the square one.
Oh, bummer.
Sometimes the Phillips bit won't do it. You want to use the square bit. That's why.
There you go. Let's see that square bit. All right.
Here's the one that wouldn't come out with Phillips. And it's out now. They don't come out with the square bit. We use a little more persuasion. Which requires safety goggles. And, I mean, I've seen people get infections in their eyes doing this.
Oh.
Like, who cares if I look stupid with goggles on? You look
don't.
stupider without an eye.
I don't know. That one dude, that Navy SEAL dude, rocks that eye patch.
Yeah, but the Navy SEAL dude also has a story. Where he saved a princess from a tower and lost his eye to an alligator. Where it's like, yeah, I was taking apart a thing on my bus and I messed my eye up.
I was messing with a
Way to
stubborn
look like a
screw.
sap. Heyo.
Popped it off.
Derp-a-derp.
Burp-a-derp-a-derp-a.
Hello.
Hey.
Hello.
Hello.
Offspring. We're gonna get close to this. What I'm gonna do is try to lift it. It's where I can just pop it out of there. So I've already kind of taken the head out. There it is.
Nice. Yeah. And I mean, yeah. Do you wanna? Where do you got your gloves on?
No. I'm just watching.
You try to pull that piece. Your gloves on, pull the piece.
I'm gonna watch it.
It didn't pull up very easy for us. This glue is super stuck. But most of the buses that do this, the older ones have wood floor underneath. They've taken the rubber on this bus and it's directly adhered to the steel itself. So my boss showed me one of our little propane heat guns, this little thing we use for shrink wrap, and we're gonna try to heat up the glue so that we can get this off the floor. Here we go. Andrea came in this morning while I was working here. We got the bus parked at my work, guys. But Andrea came in while I was working this morning and just ripped out this half of the floor. So after today, we can say that we had a pretty good success on getting out the floor. 1 point Andrea for kicking this bus's floor's butt, because she did. She knocked out the entire passenger side. Wheel wells are gone as well. The driver's side, we worked it together as soon as I got off of work, and we were able to get just a little bit done there, but man, we did it in less than a day for the most part. There's just a little bit of cleanup and we'll be all done. So if you guys are thinking about doing your own bus conversion and you've watched a million other people do it, consider subscribing to us and checking out our channel as well. Thanks for tuning into Ridicubus for this episode, and we'll see you next time. Bye.
It's the Ridicubus.